Alright, so like us, are you also getting this pardon the interruption Netflix error code capital M7701-1003 on your Brave browser whenever you're trying to play any movie or show? Well, don't worry, let's go ahead and fix it together. So for that, let's open Brave browser, navigate yourself to these 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down and enter settings. Once you are in settings, now look for the extensions options in the left-hand side. When you're inside the settings, just find the Widevine button and then make sure to turn it on. If it's on, you can turn it off and on just to restart this option. Now once that's done, you can either close the Brave browser, all the windows, or you can relaunch Netflix a couple of times. Now you'll see you'll be able to stream without having any issue or any error whatsoever. If you're still having the problem, put that down in the comment section. Thanks for your time.